Blanche Dubois arrives at her sister's apartment in New Orleans. Her sister's name is Stella Kowalski. Blanche clearly intends to stay at her sister's apartment for an unspecified but lengthy period of time. Blanche tells Stella that she lost Belle Reve, their ancestral home, after the death of their remaining relatives, and that she has been given a new leave of absence due to her anxiety. It is immediately apparent that Blanche does not approve of the Kowalskis' two-room apartment in a working-class neighborhood. Her condescending attitude causes Stella's husband, Stanley, to dislike her. He suspects that she cheated Stella out of her share of the family's inheritance. While defending herself, Blanche reveals that it was lost due to her foreclosed mortgage. After Stanley's friend, Mitch, begins to speak about Blanche in the bedroom, Stanley erupts with anger. Stella defends Blanche in the argument, so Stanley beats her. When Mitch and Blanche return from a date one night, she reveals that years ago her husband committed suicide after she discovered and chastised him for his homosexuality. Mitch informs her of his own loss of a former love and tells her that they need each other. Stanley takes it upon himself to tell Mitch of the other parts of Blanche's past, including the fact that she was evicted due to multiple sexual liaisons and her affair with a student. Stella gives birth to their new baby, and Stanley decides to celebrate with Blanche. He rapes her. The next scene is weeks later as they are packing Blanche's bags. It's implied that a doctor will soon arrive to take Blanche to an insane asylum because Stella couldn't believe Blanche's claim that Stanley raped her. Blanche emerges, and by the manner of her speech, it is apparent that she's lost her grip on reality. She is taken by the doctor to the asylum. Stella sobs with her child in her arms as Stanley comforts her with loving words. Riley, do you think being gay is a choice?
Yes, I believe that being gay is a choice because in the Bible it says that a man and a woman should be together, and I believe in the Bible, so.
How do you think God views gays?
Okay, well, I believe that God loves everybody, and in the end he always wants us to be brought back to him. But I believe that it's also not our position to judge people, so we need to love everybody while we're on earth, and then in the end God will judge them.
And I can't change, even if I try.